This is the story of the HP Pavilion 6617. It was donated to me last year by Wayne and I only got around to trying it out now. A very compact computer with quite basic specifications. It comes with a Celeron processor, 128 MB of RAM, integrated graphics, a 20 GB ID hard drive, an optical drive and a floppy drive. I had the machine up and running yesterday and it seems that was its last hurrah. It doesn't turn on anymore, the fans are still spinning but no image appears on the monitor, no post beeps can be heard, maybe it's the old power supply that cannot cope anymore. Either way, we will pull this machine apart and see what we can salvage and what gets thrown away. The motherboard is really basic with the dreaded Intel 810 chipset, however it's so bad that it's actually worth saving. The Intel 810 chipset doesn't have an HEP slot and comes with integrated graphics from Intel. The only upgrade path for gaming is going with a PCI video card. Unfortunately, the board wouldn't work on my test bench either, a real shame as I definitely wanted to experience how this machine performs. So here we have what remains of the HP Pavilion 6617. Hopefully it lived a full life, but everything comes to an end. However, this pile of parts gets to live another day. The Coppermine Celeron 566 and the Western Digital 20 GB ID hard drive will definitely get used in one project or another. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, like, share and leave me a comment down below, and I will see you soon with another video.